Okay, well, part two. I think I'll probably just try to combine it, but I got the rear quarter put on, the little bottom piece there, and the inner fender well. Turned out pretty good. I mean, good enough. I guess still have to finish up the welds here. Used Fitzy's fabrication technique of the cut and butt. I could have ground out all those spot welds and put this entire panel in, but that metal was decent and everything looked okay there, so I just, I didn't. So I'll finish those up because it's 9:30 tonight. Started early this morning and just had to bang through. It took a little longer because I had to hang the door and get the door sitting right, and then hang a fender to make sure that the gap wasn't too massive. It is kind of massive, but it's not horrible. The doors, I got them closing properly all the way with no striker or anything in place. That's, again, Fitzy's fabrication. He suggests you get the doors hanging and closing all the way before doing any of this work. Now, this rear quarter was kind of holding everything up because I couldn't fix the door until the recorder was in. I couldn't put the lower rocker on until the outer rocker panel on until the quarter was in. So now I use set screws, self taps, and I've got the lower rocker, outer rocker ready to go on. So I can put that on at some point, but I think it's a sunny day tomorrow, so the car is gonna have to sit for a bit because I got a garage to finish. So tomorrow will probably be garage time. But yeah, anyway, I gotta clean up the welds and finish all the plug welds. But I had to do a lot of finagling to get this line close. This line here, oh, I had to drop this way low and anyway, I'm thinking once the striker's on, the door will come up a smidge, but there's no play on the hinges. The hinges are pretty solid. So I gotta finish up all the welding on there, but it's nice to get that off the ground. You'll probably notice some scratches and dents on this panel. That's because I literally got the scratch dent panel that VP Auto Parts had. I've been waiting on a rear quarter for almost a year and a half, and they're like, oh yeah, next shipment, and then finally this guy's like, I got a scratch dent one if you want that. And I said, yeah, I do. So it was a little crushed and banged, but I'm not going for perfection. So I just banged out the bends and put it on. And so far it seems fine. We'll see if I'll probably have to do some filler to get some of the hammer marks out, particularly right there. But yeah, productive day. Now I am, when it rains again, I can put some more time in. But it's nice to get that back end finished up. Or the driver's side anyway. This trunk was a lot of work to get it set up. I had to custom make all those indentations and everything else, but yeah, that's nice now. That was a complete gaping hole before, so hopefully we can get another rear quarter for that side. I might have to do the whole thing on that one because you can see that thing's been pretty mangled. Anyway, engine is still at the machine shop. I did order some parts from Tennis Tuning in Sweden, or Netherlands, I guess. And they sent me a cross section of the head so that my machine shop isn't chicken to enlarge the exhaust valves to 37 millimeters instead of 35. And anyway, yeah, we got a cam coming, pistons, connecting rods, bearings we need, and yeah, frost plugs and all sorts of stuff. So that should get the machine shop working so that I can start assembling the motor if I have to wait another year for the rear quarter for the passenger side. Hopefully not, but who knows. So yeah, that's about it. I already showed you the front suspension rebuild. I've got the IPD sway bar I got to put on, but I'm going to wait until I paint the engine bay and inside of the car before doing that. Don't want to get green all over the blue sway bar. Yeah, so yeah, I guess I'll go have a shower and then go to bed.